Hello everyone, today we are going to render this public toilet. This is the final rendering. And this is the preview in Define Render. Before we get started, I want to show you all the lights I'm using. First, we have a HDR ambient lights. Then we have the sunlight. Multiple spotlight above the urinals and strip light in the ceiling and above here. And that's all the lights we need. Now I'm going to close Define and we can start from scratch. Okay, let's start Define Render. New project. Create new scene. Let's zoom out to check the default environment. As we can see, we have this wall blocking our view, so we can create a section first. Move it. Okay. And the default environment have this green terrain and blue sky. Sometimes the greenish and bluish color will bleed into our interior, causing unwanted effect. So I'm going to delete the terrain first. And let's select the background image and turn on this option so it will not block any lights. And then we will replace the blue sky with HDR. Let's go back to the view. Go to HDR and select the custom, and we can use this true shadow tool and update the scene. Now go to effects and turn off auto exposure and lower this value and update the scene. Go to environment and turn on the sun. Change the sun intensity to 0.5, sun radius to 10, so the shadow edge will be blurry. And then we can customize the direction, rotate to find the proper position, and update to save all those changes. And the sunlight and the HDR ambient lights will be our main light source. Now we need to create some strip light in the ceiling. Let's create a strip light. Change the bundle length to 0 and color temperature to a warm color like 3000. And then we can put it inside the ceiling. And then resize. Okay, let's copy this strip light and put it down here and rotate facing outward. Now let's move it down. Just put it above this counter and fine-tune the position. And we can change the intensity to 50. Right now it's a little too strong. Now select the emissive material in the downlights, and we can change this to emissive and intensity to maybe 50. Color temperature to a warm color. And then we need to create some spotlight above the urinals. Let's create a spotlight. And just put it here and change the intensity to maybe 50 or 20. And color temperature to a warm color, 4000 maybe. Okay, now we need to go to the top view and change the display to wireframe mode and copy this spotlight for each urinal. and select all those spotlights. Ctrl G to group and go back to the view. Let's move it down or up a little bit. Let's select these blinds. Right now it's blocking some lights. We can turn this option so it will not block any lights. Okay, that's all the lights we need. Now we need to adjust the view. Let's select the camera, edit camera, and go to select 2-point perspective and aspect ratio to 3:2 and change the FOV to 90 degrees. Adjust the camera. Let's change the navigation to fly mode and movement speed to 1. And now we can fine-tune the view. Update to save the changes and exit the camera. Now go to the effects and slowly increase the exposure. And let's suppress the highlights. And increase the shadow exposure so the darkest part of our image will be brighter. Increase the contrast to 0.2. We can lower the tint. Right now it's a little reddish, so we can go to the left, so it will be a little greenish. And go to the right, it will be reddish. Right now we need to go to the left a little bit. Use a LUT. Select Custom. Choose 09 warm. Intensity to 0.2. And update the scene. Now we are ready to adjust the material. First, select the ceiling material and change its roughness to 1. This will be paint material. And then select the wall material. This will be ceramic tiles, so just change the roughness to 0.1, even lower. So this will have more reflection. And let's select the wood material and change the roughness to 0.1. We want to create more reflectiveness. Right now this material is quite saturated. We can go to the color map and maybe increase the brightness a little bit. 5. We can use 5 for now. And select the floor material and change the roughness to 0.2. And right now it's quite dark. We can change the color a little bit. Just increase the brightness a little. 5. Select the partition. This material will be translucent, so we need to copy this image and put it into the opacity map. And we can turn on the more settings and invert the image. Right now this image is quite big. We can change the texture to UV to 5 to make it smaller. Also change the roughness to 0. And select this edge and we can change this to metallic to 1, roughness to 0. And select the wood material and we can turn on the limit color bleeding, so this color will not bleed into other part of our image. We can do the same for this one. Turn on the color limit color bleeding. Do the same for the floor. Select this part and this will be metallic. Change the metallic to 1 and roughness to maybe 0.2. Okay, select this base and change the roughness to 0 and base color to brighten it up a little bit. Okay, select the window frame and change the brightness. Select the glass material and change the opacity to 0 and base color to a pure white, so it will be clear glass. Now let's select the base. We can change this texture map. Right now it's quite dark. can increase brightness a little bit. And select the plants and change the material template to foliage. We can do the same for this plant. Change the material template to foliage. And select this black material. We can brighten it up a little bit. Right now it's just too dark. Okay, now let's fine-tune the exposure. Update to save the changes. This background image is a little overexposed. We can select it and make it darker. Change the base color and lower this value. Okay, select the urinal and change this roughness to 0. Now we are ready to export. Let's go to image, select 4K and render. This is our final rendering. If you want, you can fine-tune the materials and the lights. You can also download the SketchUp model HDR LUT from my Patreon. Thanks for watching. I see you next time. Goodbye.